Hey everyone! In this video, we will show you how to change the passcode on your iPhone. First, navigate to the Settings app on your device. Here, scroll down and find the Face ID and Passcode option. Next, tap on it and enter your current passcode. Then scroll down and it will show you the Change Passcode option. After that, select it and you will enter your current passcode again. Now, enter your current passcode in the given place. Following that, tap on Passcode Options and you can select the numbers of the numeric code. Here, it will show you a 4-digit numeric code, a 6-digit numeric code, a custom numeric code, and a custom alphanumeric code. Next, you can choose any of these and change your passcode. After that, go back and reach your Apple account on the top. Then, tap on Sign In and Security and select the Change Password. In the end, you can enter the passcode to change your password. In this way, you'll be able to change the passcode on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.